Hi, I'm Jeff Irvin from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I'm reviewing the Sher-Wood Basic Premium Code Premium Kit. And they sent it youth large, which is a little bit small for what I need to use it for. But you can see here, I have my assistant, Zach. It's got the chest protector, shoulder pads. We got the gloves. We got the knee pads. Well, I guess it's shin pads. And the gloves. I mentioned gloves? Gloves. And it fits pretty snug on him, but we had to test it regardless. Zach, tell me what you like and what you didn't like.
The straps are a little tight, and I find they rub a lot, but
More of a sizing issue than a quality issue, though, right?
yeah, probably.
Overall, pretty good?
Yeah.
That hurt?
Yeah. Thanks.
Okay, take a shot. I would recommend this Sher-Wood kit for my family and friends, but I would also make sure that you watch the size for ages 7 to 9 years old. But overall, very good quality, and seems like it protects just fine.